Banger Squad. We in this bitch like, yeah.
Shout out to the Misfits.
Let's go. I'm going in.
Yeah.
This Chopito, man. This the intro, man.
What up? How y'all doing?
Chopito's world. Little city I'm putting out, you know.
Ain't nothing but a mixtape.
Ain't heat up for the summer yet, so I'm let y'all niggas get a little sample of what I got going on. A little bit of
Valentine's Day to the ladies.
a little bit of club songs, a little mixture of everything for everybody.
Yeah.
Until the summer heat up. This is why I'm different from everybody else, man. I don't do nothing but just hit a beat
97.3.
and I get on some shit like,
What you get on, nigga?
I see them niggas talking, but I don't really hear them.
No.
I'm too busy grinding
Yeah.
to stop and pay attention.
Okay.
My money right, my swag right, and I keep some bitches. So I'ma do me and put on for my city.
Yeah.
Swag that up a little bit and turn that into a chorus just like that in 2 minutes.
Damn.
Or I can hit them with something off the top.
Like what, nigga? What you gonna hit him with?
You know, I work out my notebook. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I hit them with a chorus like this.
Let me hear.
They say you frontin', but I ain't frontin'.
No.
They say you frontin', but I ain't frontin'.
No.
They say you frontin',
What?
but I ain't frontin'.
What?
Stop beating around the bush, motherfucker. You frontin'. They say you frontin', but I ain't frontin'.
No.
They say you frontin', but I ain't frontin'. They say you frontin'. I might front 'em. I might hit 'em with that bush and tell me bring me back, son. Yeah, man, that's just a little something I be doing, man.
Yeah, I feel you.
If you need a chorus, hit me up, man. It's Chopito, man.
I'm on
give a
Twitter,
fuck
I'm on
what it's
Facebook,
about.
I'm on
I'm gonna make it hot, and you gonna rock with it. It just, I don't know, you gotta zone down to get in your zone. Don't give a fuck what nobody else say. Let the music hit you, let it speak to you when you rolling up or whatever you do, drinking or whatever you sipping, popping pills, whatever the fuck your high is. Do that shit, get in your zone, and don't give a fuck about what nobody else think about your shit. Cause it's for you. If you don't like your shit, then nobody else ain't gonna like your shit.
Okay.
And that's some real music shit right there for you.
Let me write that down real quick.
Feel me? I'm going in. Feel me?
Feel me?
That's my ad-libs. Feel me? I'm going in. Feel me? That's my ad-libs. Feel me? When you hear that? When you hear that? When you hear that? You know I'm putting on for my city. I'm from the port. 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 North side, east side, south side. I'm from the port. Chopito, man.
What up, my nigga?
I hope y'all like what y'all about to listen to.
What up, guy?
Got a couple of bangers for the girls, for the club, for the street, for the hood, for your mom, for your dad, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your mama. It don't even matter. I know I said mama twice, but it don't even matter. Cause this is raw right here. This is what music is.
Okay.
If you can't do that shit off the top, get in a notebook. If you can't do it off the notebook, get on top. It don't matter. However you get it, and whatever the finished product is. If you like it, you satisfied with it, fuck what anybody think about your shit. And we gon' rock like that. This how easy it is. I'm going in. Let's go. I'm going in. Let's go. I'm going in. Let's go. You wanna win? Fuck with my flow. And we good. Banger Squad. FT Dub. Chopito. Frost the Boss. Lil Cuzzo. Free my brother. Jay Gutter. Free my other brother, cousin, homies. Everybody behind that wall.
Everybody all there
stand up.